Hi students. Okay students, in our previous class we discussed about one topic. Is it right? And I given to you homework also, assignment. Is it right? Did you complete the homework? Are you doing homework daily after listening class? Yes, I think you completed. So what is our previous class topic? Once I am revising you. What is that? Yes, we discussed about the transports. Is it right? This is our previous topic. We discussed about transports. Okay? Yes. What we discussed in the transports topic? We discussed about mainly three types of transports are there. Okay, what are the first one is land transport. Very good, land transport. Second one, water transport. Third one, what is the third one? Air transport. Is it clear? These are the mainly three types of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Okay, land transport, they are moving only on the land. Okay, and some examples: what are the bus, train, car, vehicles like that. Water transport means they are moving on the in the water. Okay, on the water, and some are going inside the water also. So steamer, ship, boat, raft, they are the examples. Air transport: helicopter, aeroplane, rocket, spacecraft, jet aeroplanes, and we discussed about parachute, hot air balloons also. Is it clear? This is our previous topic. Clear about transport. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss about one topic, that is about directions. That is about directions. Do we know about directions? Do you know about directions? See, suppose you are all coming to the school. Where is your school? Specific place is there? Yes. Where is the main? What is the main place? Where it stay? Where is your school? Means what is the address of your school? Means what you have to say? Our school is in the Gandhi Chowk or in front of Rundachintala Radhakrishna Hospital. Otherwise, mainly you are saying Harkaravel Center. Harkaravel Center. Okay. So you are all coming to the school in different places, from different places. So suppose you are coming to our school from the Gandhi Chowk, Gandhinagar. Okay. So in how many ways you have to come to our school? Is there one way or so many ways are there? Yes. So you are coming to our school in 2 or 3 or 4 ways. That means there are many ways. There are many ways. Is it right or not? Suppose Gandhinagar street is there. Directly you are coming to Gandhinagar like this. Otherwise you are going to the Mood Center. After that you have to come this side. Again you are going to the police station. This side also you have to come. So these are the ways to come to our school. Is it right? Whatever it, we are following here directions. We are following here directions. So here what is there in the direction? What is the specialty? What is the special in the directions? Suppose you want to go from one place to another place. You want to go from one place to another place without any miss, or without getting lost. How can you go? You can follow, first of all, directions. You can follow the directions and you have to know about the direction. Is it right? Suppose you are coming to school. First of all, you have to know about the way, or you have to know about the direction. Suppose your house is there here, okay, and school building here is there. This is your school building, okay. So first of all, you have to know about the way, or you have to know about the direction of your school building. How will you come to your home to school? One way, there is you are coming like this. This is one way. Okay. Another way also is there. Suppose this is like this is there. Another street like this is there. Okay. Whatever it, first of all you have to know about direction. Direction to your school. Direction to your school. From your home to school. You have to know about direction. In which direction you will reach to your school. First of all, you have to know that. So here, these directions are helpful to us to go to any place. Suppose your house is there, your house. So you can go to your school like this. This is one direction. This is one direction. Okay, another direction. What is that? You will go to your school, from your home to school like this. In this direction also you will go. You can go. But whatever you are reaching to the school, in how many directions are there? Two directions. One is this direction and another one is this direction. Okay, so that is why directions are very important, very useful in our life. So the words we are using generally left side, right side. Mainly we are using left, right. Left, comma, right. Are you using these words? Are you using these words anytime? Left, right. Are you using? Yes. Generally, each and everybody use left, right. So these are the main words. So why we are using left, right? So these left and right are telling to us about the directions. Suppose you are coming to school. First of all, some ways are there. Okay, in the ways, sometimes you are turning left side, sometimes you are turning right side. Is it clear? So these whatever it, when you follow this left side or that right side, finally you are reaching to the school. So in this is forming one direction. So in that direction you are turning, or you are maintaining, or you are moving left side, and sometimes you are moving right side. So that is why these left and right are important in the direction. They tell to us about directions and in which side you have to go. Clear? Yes. So here we use our hands. We use our hands to show the direction. Generally what we use? We use our hands to show the direction. Clear? We use our hands to show the direction. Suppose if anybody come to near to you, and they will ask, sometimes some members are asking address. So where is the Gandhi Chowk? They asked where is the Gandhi Chowk. Then how you have to say the address to them? First of all, automatically our hand is raising like this, or raising like this. First of all, you go straight like this. After that, turn left side, and after that, when you take left right side, you will reach to Gandhi Chowk. Like this, you are saying, or go this side, or go this side, or go this side. You are saying like this. Very near is there, like this saying. Is it right? So then, which one we are using here? Hands. Is it clear? So we use our hands to show the direction. Will you say with your head like this? No. So then we are using hands. So with the help of our hands, we are saying left. So what? Which side is the direction? How you have to say that one? Means first of all, suppose what they ask address. Suppose if it is in left side, means immediately you will raise your left hand. Otherwise, what they are asking the address. So that address right side is there, means immediately you are raising right side. Then you are showing that address with your right hand. Is it clear? Suppose now you are staying in your school. You want to go to cinema theater. Suppose you reach the cinema theater. Sundar Talkies is there. So if anybody asks you where is Sundar theater, then how you have to show? Immediately you are raising left hand. Go this side. Suppose if anybody come and ask where is the 3-town area, 3-town police station, then right side is there. Your school right side is there, 3-town station. That's why you are raising right hand. So that is the 3-town police station. You are showing like this. Is it clear? And now I am showing. Now I am raising my hand like this. So which direction? Which direction I am showing now? It is my left hand. It is my left hand. So now I am showing left side. Now which direction I am showing? So this is my right hand. So I am showing right direction. Okay, now clear? Yes. That is why to show direction we are using here hands. And we are discussing about now directions, no? Yes. Especially here we have specific directions. Specific directions. What are they? What are the specific directions? What are they? They are decided by us. How we decided them? When we wake up. When we wake up. When we wake up early in the morning. Is it right? When we wake up and when we see outside the window. When we see outside the window, what we can see first of all? We can see the sun. We can see the sun. Is it right? We can see first early in the morning sun. Which side we can see sun? Yes. When we stand and when you stretch your hands and stand, you are facing side. Your face side. Where is your face side? That is show to sun raise time like this. Generally, sun is raising this side. Sun is raising this side. So when you stretch your hands and stand, put your face sun side. Put your face sun side. So that is shows to us east direction. That is shows to us east direction. EAST, east. Clear? So the sun is raising always east side. We are calculating like this. So another one is if we stand, if in front of our face showing to us east, and behind our back side like this, we are standing like this. Behind our back, in front of our face or in front of my face, that is showing to us east face, east direction, and behind our back side is there, no? This is showing to us west direction. This is showing as, we are saying that one, west direction. So, and we are stretching our hands like this. Is it right? What is there in front of us? That is east. What is there back behind the back? That is west. And which side is there? Our left hand. And this side is there. This is my left hand. Okay. This is my left hand. This left hand shows to us north. What is that? North direction. And which side is showing my right hand? This is my right hand. Okay. This one shows to us south direction. South direction. So these are the main directions. These are the main directions. How many directions are there? How many directions we get now? 4 directions. What are they? East is one direction, west is another direction, north is another direction, south also one direction. So these are the 4 directions. There are mainly 4 directions. How many are there? 4 directions. How we measure them? When we wake up early in the morning, then stretch our hands, and which side you are seeing sun, you have to put your face sun side. So then we are standing like this. So which side your face is there? So are in front of your face side, that is we are calculating, that is east direction. This east direction is located sun side, sun raising side. So in which direction sun is raising up, that is east direction. Behind the back side is there, no, our body back side, that is calculated like a west direction. So our left side, which side is showing our left, that is north direction. Which side is our right hand showing, that is south direction. So here we have 4 directions: east, west, north, south. Clear? Yes. So that is why, see, if you see in these 4 directions words, if you take first letters, in all if you take first letters, so what is the first letter here? North means N. Here what is the first letter in the east? E. What is the first letter in the west? W. What is the first letter in the south? S. So what we get here, what is the sign? What is this word? News. Are you watching news in the TV? Yes. News word comes from these 4 directions first letters. So news are, we are watching news means how we are getting these news means we are getting these news from 4 directions. From 4 directions. That is why each and every direction first letter from news word. Is it clear? Yes. And for example, here you have your school. This is your school. Okay, and here bank is there. This is one example for you. Okay, and Rohit house also is there. Rohit house. Rohit's house. Here you have park is there. Okay, and this side you have ice cream shop. and here you have hospital. Okay. Here I given to you one direction from your school. Okay. This is your school. Now you are in the school. So the question is, bank in the, where is the bank? Where is the bank? In which direction bank is there from your school? Then what you have to say? How you have to say that one? First of all, you have to mark the directions. How you have to mark? You have to draw like this lines. This is north. This is south. Okay. This is west. This is east. Okay. So now you have to find where is the bank. Where is the bank? Where is the bank? How can you say that one? Here your school is there. So here you mark that one. Okay. So what is my question? Find the bank from your school. So in which direction is the bank? Here which direction is showing to us? North direction. So the bank is in the north. Bank is bank in the north. Bank in the north direction. Is it right? Where is the hospital? So see here direction, west side. So hospital in the west. Hospital in the west. This is only example for you. How you have to find the direction from your school. So from your school, bank the north side is there. From your school, hospital west is there. Like this, we are using directions. And in the same way, we are using map pointing also. Map. This is a map. So in the map, this is the direction. It is showing to us direction. Got it, you? This is map. This is totally map. In this map, how you have to find the bank? How you have to find the hospital? How you have to find from your school means, then you have to use directions. Clear? Yes. And another thing is there, that is about magnetic compass. Do you listen magnetic compass? Do you listen anytime? So that is made by magnet. What is the use of magnetic compass? Magnetic compass. Do you see anytime magnetic compass? Yes. A magnetic compass is used by people to find directions. So this is used by to find. Magnetic compass is okay now. Used by to find directions. To find directions. So like this is the magnetic compass. See once. This is round in shape, and it has middle is there, and always it shows north and south direction. This is north, this is south. Okay, like this is there. Okay, yes, with the help of magnetics magnetic compass, we are finding the direction. So here what is there? One needle is there. This needle always shows to us north and the south direction. When we put anywhere, it is showing north and south direction. Clear? Yes. Now I am giving to you a small homework. That is, this is homework. Understood everyone? Yes. Homework. How many directions are there? How many directions are there? Name them. Second one, what is the use of magnetic compass? What is the use of a magnetic compass? Clear? Third one is, we use our hands to show the dash. Okay, this is our today's homework. So you have to listen the class carefully. After that you have to write the answers. Is it clear? And then in our next class we will discuss about our country. This is our next class topic. Clear? Thank you all of you.